Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic tool that could become your new best friend for yard work and cleaning tasks, the cordless leaf blower with a whopping 100,000 revolutions per minute brushless motor. We found this product online and have included a link in the description below so you can check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is this product? This cordless leaf blower is a lightweight, handheld power tool designed to make your outdoor and even indoor cleaning tasks a breeze. With its advanced 100,000 revolutions per minute high-speed brushless motor, it offers significant power and efficiency. The internal turbine design resembles that of a jet engine, allowing it to generate a high-velocity airflow capable of clearing stubborn wet leaves, large debris, and even dust. Whether you need just a gentle breeze to tidy up or a powerful blast to tackle heavy messes, this leaf blower is equipped to handle any situation. Let's talk about some of the standout features that really make this leaf blower shine. First, the brushless motor technology not only enhances performance but also prevents overheating, ensuring that you can use it continuously without any worries. Next, it comes with dual 3.0Ah batteries and a fast charger, which is perfect for anyone who needs to clean large areas without the anxiety of running out of power. The batteries can be swapped instantly, providing uninterrupted runtime and making it incredibly convenient for extended use. Another great aspect of this leaf blower is its versatility. It's not just limited to yard maintenance. Its compact design allows you to reach tight corners and spaces where larger blowers typically cannot operate. Imagine sweeping grass clippings off your sidewalk, cleaning dust from your car's interior or even your keyboard, or clearing snow from your porch steps. This tool can handle all of these tasks and more with ease. One of the most appealing features of this leaf blower is its ultra-lightweight and ergonomic design. Weighing in at just 1 pound, it allows for effortless one-handed operation. This is especially beneficial if you're using it for an extended period, as it minimizes arm fatigue. The battery installation is simple and quick, making it a perfect choice for the elderly or anyone who prefers lightweight, user-friendly yard tools. Storage is often a concern with many power tools, but this cordless leaf blower is designed with practicality in mind. It comes with a handy carrying case, making it easy to store in your garage or a storage closet. Its compact design means it won't take up much space, whether for daily storage or for taking on the go. So, who is this leaf blower suitable for? It's an excellent choice for homeowners, gardeners, and anyone who regularly maintains outdoor spaces. If you're looking for a versatile cleaning tool, this leaf blower is perfect for you. It also makes for a thoughtful gift for fathers, husbands, and gardening enthusiasts, ideal for birthdays, Father's Day, or Christmas. In conclusion, the cordless leaf blower with 100,000 revolutions per minute is an impressive tool that combines power, efficiency, and user-friendliness. Whether you're tackling leaves in the yard, cleaning your car, or even clearing snow, this lightweight blower can handle it all. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.